Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and 2 target apps support split screen. This prevents wasted effort. Once done, enable multi-window in settings and grant any permissions needed because restricted apps block pairing. Now open both apps. Make sure they're active. Use the app switcher or long press the app icon to reveal the split screen command and tap it. This initiates the mode. This step begins the actual split process, so don't skip enabling multi-window or updating the apps first. Once the split is active, you configure layout to suit tasks. You'll drag the divider to choose a 50/50 or a 70/30 focus, which changes workflow speed. Next, swap positions if you need the primary app on top, or pin one app to prevent accidental closing, because stability matters during multitasking. If needed, open a second app from the dock or recents to replace one pane. Also make sure the keyboard focus behaves as expected. Toggle input so typing goes to the intended window. To finalize, practice exiting. Drag the divider to full screen or close one pane. You can use home gestures to preserve split for later. If an app fails to render in split, force stop and relaunch it because many issues stem from temporary glitches. Make sure the app actually supports split. Some block it intentionally. If problems persist, restart the device, clear app cache, or install updates and then retry. This sequence clears corrupted state and generally resolves stubborn split screen faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.